Let me be honest with you. The world of investing can be brutal. One wrong move and years of savings can disappear in just a few days. That's the reality. And the sad part? Most beginners walk straight into the market without knowing what to avoid. That's why so many people lose money, lose motivation, and even give up on investing altogether. But here's the good news. If you know the biggest mistakes, you can avoid them. And if you avoid them, you'll be way ahead of most beginners. In this video, I'm going to share the 10 most common mistakes new investors make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to protect your money and grow it smarter. To support our channel, give this video a quick like, and let's jump right in. Mistake 10, chasing quick gains. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to get rich overnight. Many people jump into investing thinking they'll double their money in weeks or months. The truth is, investing doesn't work that way. Chasing quick wins usually ends up with quick losses. Think about it. You hear a cryptocurrency is booming, so you throw all your savings into it. At first, it goes up, you feel excited, maybe even confident. But then suddenly, it crashes, and you panic sell. That's how beginners lose thousands. Instead, focus on long-term goals. Take your time, research carefully, and invest regularly in small amounts. That's how real wealth grows. Mistake 9, investing without research. Another huge mistake? Investing without doing your homework. Many beginners buy stocks or assets just because a friend said so, or because it's trending on social media. That's dangerous. You wouldn't buy a car without checking it first, right? So why invest money without checking the company or the asset? Always research. Look at financial reports, understand the market, read different opinions. Don't let rumors decide for you. Smart investing comes from informed decisions. Mistake 8, emotional decision-making. Let's talk about emotions. Fear and greed are the two biggest killers in investing. When the market dips, beginners panic and sell. When it goes up, they get greedy and buy without thinking. Both lead to mistakes. Here's the truth. The market always has ups and downs. If you panic at every dip, you'll lose money. If you chase every rise, you'll overpay. The solution? Have a clear strategy and stick to it. Accept that fluctuations are normal. Investing isn't about emotion, it's about discipline. Mistake 7, lack of diversification. Imagine putting all your money into one stock. What happens if that company fails? You lose everything. That's why diversification matters. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different assets, stocks, ETFs, maybe gold, maybe even a little crypto. Diversification won't make you rich overnight, but it will protect you from losing everything. It's like building safety nets for your money. Mistake 6, no budget or financial plan. Another common mistake is investing without a clear financial plan. Some people invest with money they actually need for rent, bills, or emergencies. That's dangerous, because when life throws an unexpected expense your way, you'll be forced to sell your investments at the wrong time. The solution? Create a budget. Know your income, your expenses, and how much you can safely invest. And always keep an emergency fund aside. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Mistake 5, exiting too quickly. Many beginners make the mistake of selling too early, either because they panic when prices drop, or they get impatient and cash out small profits. But here's the thing, the market goes up and down all the time. If you sell too quickly, you might miss the real gains. Let's say you sell after a 5% drop, only to see the stock recover 20% the next month. That's painful. Remember, investing is long-term. Don't jump ship at the first wave. Stay calm, stay patient. Mistake 4, trying to time the market. Another trap beginners fall into is trying to time the market, thinking, I'll buy today, it'll go up tomorrow, and I'll sell for profit. The reality? Even professionals can't predict the market consistently. It's almost impossible. Instead of guessing, use strategies like dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, no matter the price. Over time, this smooths out the risks and builds steady growth. Stop trying to be a fortune teller. Focus on the long game. Mistake 3, investing only in popular assets. Here's a big one, only chasing what's popular. Just because everyone is talking about a stock or a crypto doesn't mean it's a smart buy. Trends come and go. Many people jump into hype investments, and when the bubble bursts, they lose everything. Don't follow the crowd blindly. Instead, look at fundamentals. Does the company make money? Does the asset have real value? That's what really matters, not the hype. Mistake 2. No clear goals or strategy. Investing without goals is like driving without knowing your destination. You might be moving, but you're not getting anywhere. If you don't know whether you're investing for retirement, for buying a house, or just for extra income, your decisions will be random. And random decisions usually lead to losses. Set clear goals, short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Then build a strategy that fits those goals. That's how investing becomes purposeful. Mistake 1. Neglecting education. And finally, the biggest mistake of all, neglecting education. Too many beginners jump into investing without learning the basics. They don't understand diversification, risk, or market cycles. And that lack of knowledge leads to repeated mistakes. But the good news is, education is everywhere. Read books, watch videos like this, take courses. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in your own knowledge. If you can avoid these, you'll already be ahead of most people. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Success in investing doesn't happen by chance. It happens when you take smart, consistent steps over time. The choice is yours. Do you want to repeat these mistakes, or do you want to learn from them and win in the long run? Join our community by subscribing and leaving a comment. I read every single one, and your feedback means a lot.